So hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So I just finished a live session now for 1 hour, like 1 hour 10 minutes, and I saw that there were a lot of questions from students. And so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a live session, okay, for you guys. All right, to ask question by 7 p.m. All right, I'll be doing the live sessions for you. All right. So sorry. So the questions I'm getting is on jam profile code. Okay. So because I've been receiving a lot of messages. I've lost the SIM card. This, that. Let me tell you something. If you've lost your SIM card, your jam profile code SIM card, this is what you do. If you can still remember how to access your jam portal, just go, access your jam portal. You will see your profile code there. But if you're having this issue, you lost your SIM card, you lost your access to your profile code, okay, WhatsApp me. I'm going to charge you to help you track and retrieve it. Or better still, if you still have that SIM card that you use to generate your profile code, on that SIM card, text resend, capital letter RESEND, okay, resend to 55019. Are you with me? That's what you text to retrieve it on that same SIM card. All right, because if you've generated profile code before, you won't be able to. It's that same code that you will use. So it's either you are having the SIM, or you can access your JAMB portal. That's your JAMB cast. You can access those two. Those are the two ways to get your profile code. But if you don't have all those, contact me, and there's a charge for it. Okay. And so what else again? I noticed students were problems they were having. Yes, JAMB subject combination. Don't worry, I'm going to do a video showing you how you can use the DTW JAMB CBT app to know your JAMB subject combination. Okay, because on the app we've put the brochure, and we've put it in a tech way that you can easily retrieve. So when you download DTW JAMB 2025 CBT app, go to Google Play Store. All right, download it. To use that feature, you have to activate, and it's 4,000 naira yearly. All right, so it's not only that feature that it has all your past questions. So for you to practice, it has class notes, it has a AI tutor, everything. So 4,000 naira for a year is good. It's a good one. So when you enter into that feature, career and institution, go to School Finder. That's what we call School Finder. Go there, put in your course. It will bring up universities that offer your course. Now find the university that you want to choose. Okay, when you click on it, it's going to show you the requirements. All right, the requirements of your course. And when you scroll down, it will show you the details, the contact details of your school. I always tell students that don't just go and Google and see one subject combination. Apart from courses like medicine, engineering, their own combination is very easy. You understand me? Their own combination is easy. Physics, chemistry, maths, biology, that's their own. But all those courses like food and nutrition, sociology, all those courses, you need to call the school, confirm from the department. If you have someone that has studied there before, then know what subject combination did you use to get into that school. Call the school. Okay, you will see the details of the school, or you can go on the website, all right, and get their phone number. The phone number there on the website will always be the admissions office. Call and make inquiry. Please, speak politely. I want to confirm the subject combination of this. She might direct you to somewhere that you can get it, or she would also let you know. Okay, or whoever picks the call. All right, so that's how you confirm your JAMB subject combination. Another issue again, I was seeing students ask is cutoff mark. What's the cutoff mark for this? What's the cutoff mark for this? What I tell people, just aim for 300 if you don't want wahala. If you don't want stress of, my name did not come and cut off in first list. My name did not come out here. You start looking for who to go and, want to go and do mago with admission. Don't do it, though. A student messaged me. Was it yesterday? Yeah. In fact, I've been receiving, hey God. Anyway, I thank God though. I've been replying to over 1,000 messages. You don't understand, on WhatsApp. It's even taking my time. This evening I used 4 hours to respond to message, and some of these messages is not even that it's been giving me money. Oh, it's to answer question, like, it's to solve your problem, profile code problem. Oh ma, I have this problem, ma, can I do this? So I'm like, I want message that will give me money. Are you with me? So please, you guys support me. Join DTW online classes. It's 7,000 naira monthly. It's even for your own benefit. Get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It's 4,000 naira monthly. Go to we have a online store, dtwedustore.com. Okay, to get your wild scratch card and your materials. Please support us. Okay, support this ministry. So, she thought he said that they gave him wrong admission, so JAMB blocked him from JAMB cap. So don't go and start doing wuru admission. JAMB will catch you. Are you listening to me? Don't let anybody deceive you. Bring so money they will give you. JAMB will catch you. You see, those guys are working so hard to clear all those fake admission, unverified admission. That's why just put in your effort and read. And I'm giving you resources. Join our groups. Join the Telegram group. Join the Facebook group. Okay? I'll be sharing your JAMB syllabus there. Your recommended textbook. 30 days JAMB. See, everything that you need to pass, I will share it there with you. Study. Join online class. Get the app. Practice. See, just stay. See. Oh my God. Just give it all. Except maybe your parents, if you are from a rich kid, private university doesn't require too many, 250 you've gained admission. Even 220 you've gained admission to private university. Are you with me? For maybe not too serious course. Are you with me? So if that is your case, fine. But if that is not your case and you are still lazy about it, I don't know what to say to you. So that's that. So so that's that for cutoff mark. You can do it. We just did a webinar on Saturday where I called all the DTW alumni for 2024. That's called 350, 51, 338, and they came and were speaking. Don't worry, I'll upload it on our YouTube channel. You can check our YouTube channel, DTW Tutorials. All right, I'm going to try to upload it tonight, and I'm going to try, because it's like 3 hours. I don't know why you didn't join. Over 50 students were in that seminar listening to all of them for 3 hours. And if you see the way they were happy, I broke down everything about JAMB from beginning, the structure of JAMB. Don't worry, I'll share the video with you. Okay, so watch the video, it will help you. All right, then. So those are the things that I saw that on the live. So that's why I just want to say them here. Is there anything I'm also missing? Yes. Okay, so there's a saying that there's a new text, Lekki headmaster, a new literature text for this JAMB. By Wednesday we'll confirm it. Okay, and when it's confirmed, I don't want to be the one to say yes, it is true, but by Wednesday we will confirm it. Are you listening to me? When it's confirmed, don't worry, I'm going to summarize it for you. I'm going to extract like several questions from it for you and release it for free. So make sure you are on the groups. I'll share it on the Telegram group, the WhatsApp channel, the Facebook group. If you want to join us, the link the link is in the bio profile or video description box below. And so don't forget to support us. Join our online classes, 7,000 naira monthly. You have access of all our video recording from November till date. Also, we are starting brainstorming session, starting again from the beginning of the syllabus for you on the WhatsApp group. So apart from the live classes, WhatsApp group, we do live classes 6 to 9. There's also brainstorming session. We'll give you 1 hour break, also 11 brainstorming session against that. So it's a full package just for you to make it. Okay, and get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, that's your digital past questions and answer, the solutions, everything. Wonderful app with your class notes, everything. Read on the go, offline app. And to activate it is 4,000 naira a year. Get it. And also visit our online store, dtwedustore.com. You are blessed and you are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ today. You are destined to win. Stay blessed. All right, and see you soon. I'll be going live Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for you. Okay?